Belly up to the bar for some heavy-duty bracket installation. The center-levered bracket saddle design opens up many possibilities with its amazing stability, so saddle up. Steel on steel, or blades on wood. Power tools are the calling card of the elite. So whether you're throwing sparks or sawdust, safety goggles are a thing. Welcome to the club. And if you're kicking up dust, wear one of these. Some earplugs, and keep your skid on with gloves. Helps you grip your tools better too. Now let's gear up. To do this job right, go grab your tape measure and pencil, a carpenter's square, an oscillating multi-tool, a rasp or file, a drill, a 9/64 inch bit, a number 3 Phillips driver, a level, silicone adhesive, and maybe some gel. And to demonstrate how straightforward installation is, we chose Keith, because he has no prior experience installing our brackets.
Sorry! Did you just hear yourself?
Yes?
He has no experience installing brackets.
That's what I said.
Wake up and smell the coffee. That's the dumbest thing you've ever said.
He'll be just fine.
Look, my brain, it's in a paper cup, and I figured out this is a disaster waiting to happen.
Not to worry, he's got this.
Whatever this is, I hope it's not contagious.
Weren't you just leaving?
And give up my front row seat to this debacle?
Show's over. Let's go.
Say no more, but don't come dripping on me when he flubs this job. Just sip on that.
Now that we're geared up, let's begin the installation. Measure and mark the appropriate mounting locations over a vertical stud on the cap of your knee wall. Then measure 1 1/4 inches out from both sides of the line for a total of 2 1/2 inches. Space remaining brackets on each stud as needed. Then mark the lines down both sides of the wall to 4 1/2 inches deep. Use the oscillating multi-tool to remove the sheetrock. It's okay to make the opening a little larger than needed for some wiggle room. Next, you'll create a mounting channel for each bracket.
But pay attention, because this is important.
Because your bracket is going to be placed over a stud, you'll need to drive the existing screws into the wood a minimum of 5/8 inch to allow for the depth of the mounting channel.
Because nothing will stop you in your tracks like biting into a screw. Oh, don't be that guy.
Use the oscillating multi-tool to cut the channel 2 1/2 inches wide to a depth of 1/2 inch. Then make sure to remove the excess wood between the lines you just created. Be sure to remove all the material in the mounting channel so you have a clean, level channel for seating the bracket. Then trim back or chamfer both edges to accommodate the weld bead. Place the bracket into the mounting channel and use a level to ensure that the brackets are level with the knee wall and each other. If necessary, use shims to make the bracket level. Now, drill pilot holes using a 9/64 inch bit. This will help ensure the wood doesn't split. Affix the bracket to the cap and studs using all of the included number 12 wood screws. The bracket should fit snugly against the stud. Now, run a bead of high-quality silicone adhesive down the center of each bracket. Position the top.
And it's time to break out the party hats. Draw chalk pictures on the sidewalk. Order 2 desserts.
Check out our other installation videos or download written instructions at countertopbracket.com. And remember, you only live once.
So order an extra taco.